So we have a phone, and this is the POCO F1. It has a broken screen as well as the battery is not working. So what we're gonna do is heat up from here and remove the broken screen, remove the back panel. Be careful not to rip that ribbon cable holding the fingerprint scanner, just like that. Pull this, and you gotta pull the battery out, just like this. Replace a new battery. This battery is not working. Its IC is not working anymore, so the phones keep on booting up and it's not powering on, so we have to replace that one. Remove the broken screen. We have a new screen over here, as you can see, and there is my video exporting. So that is it. We're gonna remove the screen now. So as you can see, I'll pull out the screen, and we have to clean all the edges. You have to clean the speaker grill. It's very dirty, as you can see over there. And this phone has been repaired before, and as you can see, this indicates a very bad repairer. He didn't even remove this protective film. As you can see, he didn't even remove that. The stickers in there. So yeah, you should remove that. So most of the repair, I think so, they don't know they have to remove that to expose the black graphite over there. So that is it. We're gonna have to remove all the edges. We have to clean first. The old adhesive is still there, and this is a new battery. So as you can see, I've done cleaning the screen. As you can see over there, I've removed every adhesive that is in there. Every corner is clean. Everything is clean. So by cleaning edges, the LCD will sit in flush and will look pretty good. Without cleaning, the LCD even won't fit it in nice and properly. So now we're gonna apply a adhesive over these sides, and just like that, we're gonna place our new screen. We're good to go. Before placing a new screen, remember to pull this cover and clean the sticker. So as you can see, I've done placing the rubber band, and it's looking like this. So we're gonna let it rest for 1 hour, or maybe more than an hour. As you can see, you have to do it like this. Remember to plug in the display connector before placing the rubber band, or else it might snap. So you don't want to snap that cable. It's very fragile. Now all that's left is just a new battery to be placed in. New battery and back cover, motherboard holder, and that's it. See, right now the POCO is done curing. Now we're gonna have to remove the rubber band and place the new battery, the motherboard cover, and the back panel. We're good to go. Now we're gonna place on our new battery, as you can see over here. Just like that. Place back this cable. Now before we plug in the battery, we're gonna plug in the fingerprint scanner cable, and then just like that, we're gonna screw the motherboard cover, and that's it. So as you can see, now I've done placing the back cover, the motherboard bracket, and everything is done. So as you can see, the phone is working. Let me just peel this protective film over here, and that's it. It is looking brand new. It's looking as good as new. And those bottom screw, I have only one. This is it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Kelvin, for sending me this out for repair. Just test the camera real quick. Okay, the camera is good. Front camera. Okay, the front camera is not working. So this is the POCO, and I fixed the front camera issue. So as you can see, it's pretty blur. because it's dirty. It's not dirty, it's actually the lens is not working anymore. The lens cover is dirty, so we can't clean that up. But this is it. The POCO F1, which is my favorite phone, is working perfectly fine now. It is good as new. So thank you so much for sending me this out for repair, and I hope you love it.